along the way, speed became a status symbol. We celebrate the fast responder, the quick decision maker, the CEO who can walk into a room, hear 3 updates, make 5 decisions, approve 2 pivots, reject 1 proposal, and still make it to the next meeting with 4 minutes to spare. We call that impressive. And sometimes it is. But sometimes what we are calling impressive is actually underdeveloped integration. Sometimes the leader is moving so fast that nobody has time to ask, did we understand what just happened here? Nobody has time to ask, do we have the capacity for this? Does this decision undo? Nobody has time to ask, who needs to be brought along before this becomes the new direction? And here is where it gets dangerous. High velocity leaders often mistake their ability to process quickly as evidence that everyone else should be able to process quickly too. But leadership is not just how fast you can move. It is how responsibly you can move while still bringing people with you. There is a difference because when your speed becomes the culture, people stop telling the truth. They start adapting to your pace instead of engaging with your strategy. They start saying yes before they even understand what came out of your mouth. They start nodding in meetings and asking each other what the other clarifying questions afterwards. They create side conversations because the main conversation has moved too fast for them to understand. And now we have something very expensive happening in your organization. You have motion without shared meaning. This is one of the most dangerous forms of organizational waste because it looks productive. Calendars are full. Meetings keep happening. Documents are being updated. Projects are being touched. And people are responding. Everybody looks busy. But beneath all of that activity, people are confused. They are tired and they are second guessing. They are trying to read your mind and they are not reading it well. And all of that causes them to be moving slower because they do not trust that the direction will hold long enough for their work to matter. This is the velocity mismatch.